Hello everyone, Mike Gaitis here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today, I'm here with Bryan Fifer, owner and operator of Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance, and Tara Zale, who's the Director of Operations and Customer Service with Bryan. Bryan has been with State Farm since 2007 and has had his own agency for over 8 years. Bryan and Tara are passionate about working with their customers, protecting their assets and their income. Bryan, Tara, thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So today, I really wanted to talk about business operations and some insurance questions. Bryan, let's talk about auto insurance. Many business owners use their personal vehicle for their business.
Right.
What type of coverage might they need when they do this? Or maybe they should have their own policy.
Yeah, that's actually a great question, Mike. So a lot of people think because they have auto insurance, that's all they need, whether they use that for personal or business. But again, if you're using your you're using your vehicle in the course of business, you do need to have a commercial auto insurance policy. Now, that doesn't translate to more expensive, right? You just need to communicate that. So for example, we have customers that drive for Uber, right? So that's a very small business, but we still have to add an endorsement on the policy that's going to cover them while they have passengers, because a private auto insurance policy does not cover you for transporting passengers like a taxi. Now, other businesses might just use their vehicle because they're in construction and they travel from job site to job site checking on the projects. That's, again, fine. It doesn't add any additional premium, but we just have to add an endorsement on the policy to make sure that that's covered. To the extreme, you might have somebody that's actually using the vehicle in the business, for example, a food truck, or maybe it's a pickup truck, but it tows a food truck. We definitely have to know that. That exposes us to a lot more liability. We need to account for that. We'll also have to give certificates of insurance, a lot of times to different events or different vendors that they're using. And that just shows that they do have the right insurance policy that's going to protect that vendor in case of an accident.
Bryan, Tara, I really want to thank you for having me out here today. If someone wanted to learn more about the Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance Agency, what's the best way for someone to do that?
Well, thank you, Mike. We appreciate the opportunity to connect with you and getting to know you a little bit deeper. If anybody would love to work with me, my agency, my team, best thing to do is just go ahead and reach out to us by phone or on our website. They can go to bryanfifer.com. There's a form at the bottom where they can fill out some information, and that comes right to us, and we can reach out to them. They can actually attach their insurance documents right there if they want us to review. Speaking of reviews, go to Google, just put our name in there. You'll be able to read all the different Google reviews. Those are one-on-one testimonials from our customers. You'll really get a feel for our office by not only reading the reviews, but also seeing the pictures on there.
And when we say Bryan, you say Fifer.
Fifer. Well, thanks so much, guys. And I really want to thank the good folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting on this video series. They help businesses of all sizes with their social media, their marketing, their website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. Again, I am Mike Gaitis, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial. Thank you.